what's up? Yes, it is. 5 balls tutorial. Five balls tutorial. So, how do you juggle 5 balls? We learned how to juggle 3 balls, we learned how to juggle 4 balls, and now we're going to learn how to juggle 5 balls. Because it's an uneven number, we have to cross to the other hand exactly like 3 balls. To start with the 5 balls, all we have to do is go drop to 3 balls. That's how we start. The very first trick I like to teach my students is quick release. I call it quick release, and it's because you're releasing the ball really quick in a short amount of time. Basically what I'm doing is I'm juggling 3 balls, okay? But instead of going in a constant rhythm like this, what I do is I'm going to start to wait. I'm going to toss the ball and wait for the last second. Wait for the last moment. Sorry, for the last moment. I'm going to wait for the last moment, and then I'm going to toss the other ball, okay? I'm going to try not to move much, okay? And my recommendation is if the ball flies there, don't go chase it. It's better if you let it fall, so you don't get used to running, running across the room like this. You don't want to do that, okay? You want to stand in your spot and just toss the balls and quick release. Quick release, quick release, quick release, quick release, quick release, quick release. Basically what we're teaching is we're teaching our hand to toss in a small, short movement really high, okay? Our hands are used to throwing this high, in a short motion. But now we're going to teach you to toss up to the height of 5. So it's teaching that quick release motion. Because when you juggle 5 balls, it goes quick, okay? And you don't have a big moment, a big motion. So the second exercise I like to teach my students is 3 up, clap. It looks like this. 3 up, clap, stop. 3 up, clap, stop. 3 up, clap, stop. 3 up, clap, stop. Now, pay attention to this. I'm tossing 1, 2, 3, and then I end up with 2 balls on the other hand. Don't switch it back, because I want to start from the other hand. Every time, I start from the other hand. Okay? Once you got that down, you're going to try and do it consecutively. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, clap. 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 And sing-alongs! So that's 1, 2, 3, clap. For the third exercise, we're going to do 4 balls cross. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch. I crossed all 4 balls. You see the colors are changing. That's actually, I recommend. Grab 2 different colored balls so you can see the switch, okay? Now I'm always going to start with the yellow ones, okay? So now I'm starting with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. And now from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Once you got that down, we're going to do a 4th exercise. The 4th exercise looks like this. I'm going to grab 3 balls in the right hand, and this is just to learn to release that 3rd ball. Where do you put that 3rd ball? So we're going to talk about this for a second. So let's talk about how you hold 3 balls in one hand. First ball, I grab with my pinky, okay? Second ball, I'm going to grab with my thumb and my index. And the 3rd ball, I'm going to grab with all the rest. Okay? So practice this even just with one hand. Just practice. It looks like a alien eye. All right. So we have 3 balls, and now what we're going to release first, of course, is the alien eye. Okay, I'm going to toss this one up, 1, and then this one, 2, and 3. Now what happens here is this is what I do. I toss the first one, okay, and after toss the first one, this one automatically comes down to the rest of the fingers, have more control. Now that happens quick, it takes time, but you'll get used to it. And then I toss it, and then I toss, and then the last one, obviously I don't leave it here when I toss it, I bring it here, but it comes with the motion and it goes up. It takes time and it kind of happens automatically. Don't think about it, it will happen. If it doesn't happen, then think about it and try to make it happen. Once you got all these basic exercises that are going to help you with the technique of 5 balls, we got to the big moment. 5 balls! Again, I recommend for the start, if you have different colored balls, grab 2 in one color and 3 in the other color. And this is what I want you to do for the first time. You're going to toss all 5 and don't touch anything. I want you to focus on crossing all the balls. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. okay? And I want you to end up with 2 colors on this side and the other color on this side, okay? If you didn't do this exercise correctly, do it again and again and again. Don't think about catch. Think about reaching a certain height, which is about an arm above your head, okay? And cross them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very important. Cross the balls and toss them high. Once you got that down, you're going to try and catch all of it. We're going to toss all 5 balls and we're going to catch all of them. We're going to cross and catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and catch. Now we end up with 1 color on this side and 1 color on the other side. If you didn't, then you didn't do it right. As well as you need to end up with 3 in the left hand and 2 in the right hand. Now I'm going to reset, okay? And do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to clean this. Don't try to do more until it's clean. Keep in mind that all the balls have to be the same height. They have to reach the same height. You can't have some balls go high and some balls go low. If you have a trainer, awesome, or somebody that can watch you. If not, film yourself and you can see it. You can film in slow motion. It's even better. The advantage of technology. Once you got that down, do a flash and a toss. Okay? This is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you end up with 3 in the right hand. So you reset. Just keep repeating that. And once you got that down, just keep going for the higher number. Always add 1 more number. Okay? So then you're going to go up to 6 throws, 7 throws, 8 throws, 9 throws, and so forth, and so on. But please don't try to just go in the beginning, go and go crazy with the balls and try to hold it. Forget it. It's better to do 5 throws clean or 6 throws clean than to make a big mess. Thank you for joining me for the 5-ball tutorial. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment if you have any question, or just say that you enjoyed it. Whatever, I appreciate it more than the like if you comment and say how much you liked it. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. See you next time. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't have to say it. I brought 2 different colored balls. Teeth. I brought 2 different colored balls. Yeah? So, and catch. So for the third exercise, third, fourth, third. Okay.